and welcome to the Pattern Grammar material. My name's Crayton Walker, and I'd like to introduce you to the material that we've developed for the elementary level. On this page we've got 4 different units. Each unit consists of a student page, an answer sheet and a teacher's page. The first unit just introduces the idea that a different word with different meanings will have different patterns. Here we're looking at make, for example, make something compared with make somebody do something. And the idea is just to introduce to the learner the idea that a different pattern will carry a different meaning, and that a word that has 2 or more different meanings will be associated with different patterning. Unit 2 then moves on to look at 2 particular patterns. Make someone do something compared with allow somebody to do something, and it also brings in, for example, let somebody do something and force somebody to do something. And the idea is there we're introducing the pattern and saying, well, it's not just one word, in this case one verb per pattern. It is actually the pattern will allow us to use a number of verbs within that pattern, and they're going to be there's going to be a semantic connection. We're not saying that let and make mean the same, but they are certainly semantically related, and in this case they're probably going to be, I mean, you might argue it's a kind of opposite antonymous relationship. Unit 3 then looks at that verb get and looks at the patterning associated with get. It looks at 4 patterns. For example, get someone to do something. You get to do something, meaning you get the opportunity to do something. You can get something, you get a new car, for example, or you can get tired. And again, get is the same word, but it's appearing in 4 different patterns, and each pattern represents a different meaning. So this idea of change the word and put it into a new pattern, and it will probably change its meaning. And that then raises this question of where does meaning reside? Does it reside in the word, get, or does it actually reside in the pattern, or is it a combination of pattern and the word? Those are the first 3 units. Unit 4 just basically consolidates and revises the patterns and the principles that we've looked at in those first 3 units. We would love you to use the material with your learners or in the classroom and give us some feedback. You can leave some feedback at the bottom of the page, or you can actually email me. My email is at the bottom. If you would like to have the Word document, the original, so that you can adapt it and change it yourself, you're very welcome to have that. Just email me and I will send it to you. We would love to hear from you. Thank you very much indeed.